it's crazy. It's unreal. I'm telling you, because these lenses look so real, so real. Hi guys, today I have a very special review. It's the brand Elite Lenses. They are a Mexican-based company and they are releasing one of the most natural lenses that I've seen online. I'm gonna try it by myself today. So I'm so excited about this. Honestly, you have no idea. This is so promising. I've been seeing like these very natural colors, very subtle but very bright. I don't know, it's hard to describe. I have three colors here. It's Zircon, Amber, and Agate. Basically, these are yearly lenses, and which is an amazing thing because like obviously sometimes you want something that would last for a long time, especially if you like them a lot. The price that this brand has is 65 per lens, and they also have prescription for them. So obviously if you need prescription, you can go ahead. Again, if while you're watching this video you like a lot these lenses, you can go to elite-lenses.com. You see this, right? You see how transparent they are. This is crazy. That's why you need to be very aware, like when you're gonna like put this on your eyes, they're in the right side, you know, like when you have your lenses. Okay, let's try the Zircon one. They are so, oh my god, wait. If you could see, it pretty much, well, there's nothing here. It's so white, it's so transparent. So um make sure you wash your hands, of course, and then make sure that you're doing it in the right way. So this is the way the lens should be facing. Anyways, I'm gonna try them, um, and I'll be back. I'm just comparing how both of my eyes look. This one, okay, it's crazy. It's unreal. I'm telling you, I really wish this brand to do huge in the world because these lenses look so real, so real. It has the Hidrocor vibe, you know, to no limbo ring, but it blends so great in the eye. Oh my god, so nice. This is a real sort of like graphite, concrete, gray color. I am telling you guys, I don't know like if people are gonna be able to say like, oh, those are not your eyes. God, so great, so great. You can see. What do you think? So I'm gonna try now Amber. So stay tuned. And it's God, I'm telling you, like, thank you, Elite Lenses, for existing in the world. These are, honestly, I can say right now, the most natural lenses that I've ever tried in my life. I cannot, it's just, I can't stop, like, you don't know, like, you don't know how I feel inside. This is the thing. So this color, oh God, it looks so, just be the judge. See this color? It has like a green hazel color, and very natural. And then my eye, it looks like it's incredible. Like it's incredible. I'm gonna put the other one so you can see. Amber again, green, brown, hazel color. It will look amazing in every single skin tone. I'm telling you. Like obviously, you know the color varies depending on your eye color. Mine are dark brown, but God, you have no idea how natural they look. I'm telling you, like from this close, they look. See, it doesn't get more natural than that. Honestly, it doesn't. Like you can wear this confidently that no one's gonna be staring at you like you look like a lizard or something like that. It looks amazing. Last but not least, I have agate in this eye. I really like this color. I don't know how to describe it right now. I'm gonna like put the other one in this one. Now I have amber in both eyes. According to the web page, They're supposed to be like a light green color. I think like, on my eyes they look like a green, a gray greenish, sort of like a gray with a green hue, which is a very lovely color. Again, very opaque, very natural, very subtle, and it brightens your eye and it makes you look so, I don't know, like vibrant, uh, so transparent. Oh my god, it's crazy. Um, yeah. So basically, guys, you have no idea how happy I am that I have these lenses. I think I'm gonna rock them all. Personally, I think my favorite is amber. I guess it suits a little bit better my skin tone. But then again, like normally it happens when I try lenses that at first I like one first and then I like the other better. I don't think like I've ever tried more natural lenses than this ones. It's crazy. And I'm going to leave all the details down in the description box. If you want to buy the lenses, make sure you go to elite-lenses.com and yeah, leave me a message here, subscribe, like my video. I always get back with every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And yeah, I'm so happy. I'll wear this for the next couple of hours to see how they sit on my eyes. So far, so good. They feel so thin. So I guess it's just like you don't feel you. It doesn't feel like you have. I mean, honestly, I just forgot that I have lenses in my eyes. That natural they feel. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.